In the meantime, let's shift focus and information that is now coming in that ED is now to likely question Anil Ambani today. And this case is said to be linked to the 40,000 crore bank fraud, and this probe is said to be in alleged financial irregularities as the ED had attached Anil Ambani's residence, and total attachment in the case seems to have now crossed 15,000 crore rupees, I beg your pardon. Let's connect with Bhavtosh on this. Bhavtosh, the ED is expected to question Anil Ambani today. This seems to be a case of money laundering that involves an alleged bank fraud amounting to over 40,000 crores.
Yes, Amita, in fact, ED is to question Anil Ambani, and this is important probably because of the fact that this is a bank fraud case worth 40,000 crore rupees, and the Enforcement Directorate had assured Supreme Court that they will be wrapping up the investigation by March. And Anil Ambani has also given a sworn affidavit to the Supreme Court that he will be joining the investigation today. But the question is whether he will be arriving here at the ED headquarters or not. As far as the ED's case is concerned, they have said that there were several banks led by the consortium of State Bank of India, and he had defrauded worth at least 40,000 crore rupees. Now, ED in its investigation have said that there was evergreening of loan of at least 12,000 crore rupees, and then there was a diversion of at least 13,000 crore rupees, and then RCom had also purchased mutual funds worth at least 1,300 crore rupees. Though Reliance have in fact denied all these charges, and they have said that Anil Ambani has in fact resigned as board of directors of all these companies in 2019. But ED's in its investigation has also arrested a former managing director of RCom, Puneet Garg, and they have in fact leveled a very serious charge that he has purchased a penthouse worth at least $8 million, and this money was then subsequently used to finance his son's education. ED had also summoned Anil Ambani's wife, Tina Ambani, but she did not join the investigation. One has to wait and see whether Anil Ambani will be joining the investigation. Meanwhile, he was also questioned once in last August. He has repeatedly been summoned in the FEMA case. Anil Ambani, through his counsel, senior advocate Mukul Rohtgi, has said that he would not be fleeing the country. ED has also attached assets worth at least 15,000 crore rupees, and ED has also, in a statement, has said that they will be restituting all the assets that they have attached.
Misuse of bill discounting for the purpose of funneling funds to connected parties is something that has now been detected by the Enforcement Directorate and has asked Anil Ambani to appear for further investigation. Thank you very much for the moment, Bhavtosh, for getting us that live update. In the meantime, let's focus and get you